The moment that all of you have been waiting for is here. Introducing the all-new smartphone from Redmi, the savage, the supreme, the stunning Redmi Note 10S with savage performance and a stunning camera. The Redmi Note 10S is designed to ergonomically fit in your hand and your pocket. The camera in the Redmi Note 10S. The phone comes with a quad camera setup which enables you to explore a wide variety of photography opportunities, making this a brilliant choice. Yes, it comes with a 64 megapixel primary sensor in the rear camera, which is the second highest resolution available in a smartphone in today's age. This allows for detailing of images that you'd normally miss out, even capturing details missed out by the naked eye. It also comes with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 118-degree field of view, great for capturing landscapes and scenery around you at its extravagant best. And for those who like the little details in both things big and small, there's the 2 megapixel macro lens with a 2x zoom, which gives you a clear perspective even of the tiniest details. And that's not all. It also comes with a 2 megapixel depth sensor that can take those perfect bokeh shots that we all love, keeping the focus on the things and people that you love. The Redmi Note 10S comes with a 13 megapixel front camera to capture those perfect selfie shots. The Redmi Note 10S has a 16.33 centimeters, which is a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display that makes for an immersive content viewing experience. The display comes with 1100 nits of peak brightness with a 180 Hz touch sampling rate, which reduces input lag to give you pinpoint accuracy while gaming. And what makes it even more amazing is the immersive audio hardware that enhances sound quality to give you sound that is crisp and clear. We have integrated the MediaTek Helio G95 chipset with Hyper Engine game technology, which means this smartphone has the graphics department more than covered. The CPU has ARM Cortex-A55 and the ARM Cortex-A76, which is clocked at 2.05 GHz, paired with the Mali G76 GPU clocked at 900 MHz. It also has 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. It also has up to 128 GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage. The Redmi Note 10S is the first device in India to have MIUI 12.5 out of the box. It comes with a 5000 mAh high capacity battery. It comes with a 33 watt fast charger in the box that lets you get to 54% of charge in just 30 minutes. Now let's take a quick look at the prominent features again. The Redmi Note 10S has a powerful quad camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary lens, which is the second highest resolution in the entire industry. It also has a wide angle lens, a macro lens and a depth sensor. So you're ready to click the best photos anytime, anywhere. The Redmi Note 10S owes its savage performance to its octa-core processor, Helio G95, which makes all your tasks run simultaneously with greater smoothness than ever before. The super-powered 5000 mAh battery ensures that the Redmi Note 10S can run all day long without needing to be charged. The Redmi Note 10S will be available in two variants. The 6GB 64GB variant for only 14,999 and the 6GB 128GB variant for only 15,999 will be available for sale starting 18th May 12 noon on Mi.com, Mi Homes, Amazon.in and our retail stores.